Join me as I try to implement 15 Secret wealth building strategies in just 1 week and see how much I can grow my savings. Welcome to our video on 15 Secret wealth building strategies. Here, you'll discover powerful tips that can help you grow your financial future. Many people struggle to build wealth due to a lack of knowledge or effective strategies, and this is a problem that affects so many people. It's time to address this gap and equip you with actionable insights that can help you overcome financial obstacles. The truth is, building wealth is not just about making a lot of money. It's about making smart financial decisions that align with your goals. By implementing the right strategies, you can create a financial safety net that protects you from unexpected expenses and provides a sense of security. So, what are the secrets to building wealth? Let's dive in and explore the top 15 strategies that can help you achieve financial freedom. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to building wealth, and what works for someone else might not work for you. That's why it's essential to understand your financial goals and risk tolerance before investing in any strategy. Having a clear understanding of your financial situation will help you make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. By taking a proactive approach to your finances, you can create a customized wealth-building plan that suits your needs and helps you achieve your goals. We'll explore each of the 15 wealth-building strategies, from investing in stocks to starting a side hustle, providing you with the tools you need to succeed financially. You'll learn how to create multiple streams of income, invest in real estate, and build a successful online business. We'll also cover the importance of budgeting, saving, and debt management, and provide you with practical tips on how to implement these strategies in your daily life. The beauty of these strategies is that they can be adapted to any situation, whether you're just starting out or already wealthy. By applying these principles, you can take control of your finances and start building wealth from scratch. So, if you're ready to transform your financial future and create a life of abundance, then let's get started. 15. Assets that are making people rich. So, ever wondered what the rich are doing differently? Do they have a magic lamp or a treasure map we don't know about? Well, not exactly. The secret lies in how they invest in assets that generate wealth over time. While we might dream of stumbling upon a genie who grants us riches, the reality is that building wealth often comes down to strategic investments. Here, we'll explore 15 assets that are making people rich, without the need for mystical beings or hidden treasures. 1. Real estate, the landlord game. Who hasn't heard the phrase, location, location, location? Real estate is the OG, original generator of wealth. Whether it's flipping houses, renting out apartments, or owning commercial properties, real estate remains a solid path to riches. Why? Because everyone needs a place to live, work, and shop. Imagine playing Monopoly, but in real life. That's what real estate investing feels like. The key here is to buy properties in growing areas and, if possible, hold on to them. Over time, property values tend to increase, and you can charge rent that covers your mortgage and then some. Plus, there's something oddly satisfying about being called a landlord. 2. Stocks, the Wall Street roller coaster. Stocks can be like a thrilling roller coaster ride, exciting but nerve-wracking. They have made many people rich, and others, well, let's just say they've had better days. Investing in stocks means buying shares of a company, essentially becoming a part owner. If the company does well, so do you. If it doesn't, you might find yourself clutching your heart every time the market dips. Long-term investing in stocks, especially in solid companies with good track records, can be incredibly lucrative. Think Apple, Amazon, or Google. The key is to invest in companies you believe in and are willing to stick with, even through the bumps in the road. 3. Bonds. The tortoise in the race. Bonds are the slow and steady option in the investment world. They're not as flashy as stocks, but they have their place. When you buy a bond, you're essentially lending money to a company or government, and in return, you get paid back with interest. It's like being the banker in Monopoly, but with real money. Bonds are great for those who prefer a more conservative approach to growing wealth. They offer regular interest payments and return your principal once they mature. It's a less exciting but reliable way to grow your wealth. 4. Cryptocurrency, the digital gold rush. Crypto, the Wild West of modern finance. If you had told someone 10 years ago that digital coins would make people millionaires, they'd have probably laughed. Now Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a host of other cryptocurrencies have created a new class of wealth. The key here is understanding the market, which can be as volatile as a cat on a hot tin roof. Cryptocurrencies can skyrocket or plummet within hours, so it's not for the faint-hearted. However, for those willing to take the risk, crypto has the potential to deliver massive returns. Just don't forget to hodl, hold on for dear life, when things get shaky. 5. Mutual funds, the buffet of investments. If stocks and bonds are individual dishes, mutual funds are the all-you-can-eat buffet. They pool money from many investors to purchase a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. This means you get to own a little bit of everything, reducing your risk if one investment doesn't perform well. Mutual funds are managed by professionals, so they're great for those who want to invest, but don't have the time or expertise to manage individual assets. They offer a more hands-off approach while still potentially reaping the rewards. 6. Gold and precious metals, the shiny safety net. Gold, silver, and other precious metals have been symbols of wealth for centuries. They're not just shiny objects, they're tangible assets that tend to hold their value, especially during economic downturns. When the stock market gets jittery, people often flock to gold as a safe haven. Investing in precious metals can be done by purchasing physical gold, bars, coins, jewelry, or through ETFs and mining stocks. It's like having a financial security blanket that's also quite glamorous. 7. Art and collectibles, the sophisticated gamble. Art and collectibles can be a surprising way to grow wealth. From Picasso paintings to rare baseball cards, the world of collectibles is vast and sometimes unpredictable. The key here is to buy what you love, and if it appreciates in value, that's just a bonus. Art and collectibles can be tricky because their value is often subjective and depends on market demand. However, a rare piece of art or a first edition comic book can sometimes fetch astronomical prices. It's a mix of passion and investment that can pay off big time. 8. Intellectual property, the royalty machine. Ever heard of the saying, create it once, profit forever? That's the magic of intellectual property, IP. Whether it's a book, a song, a patent, or even a YouTube video, owning IP can generate ongoing revenue through royalties. Think about J.K. Rowling. She wrote the Harry Potter series once, and now she's raking in money from book sales, movie rights, merchandise, and theme parks. Creating something that people want to use, read, or watch can be a long-lasting source of income. 9. Startups and private equity, the high-stakes poker game. Investing in startups is like playing high-stakes poker. The risks are high, but so are the potential rewards. If you manage to invest in the next Uber or Airbnb, you could see astronomical returns on your investment. Private equity involves investing in companies that are not publicly traded. It requires more capital and has a longer investment horizon, but it can be incredibly lucrative if you invest in the right company. It's not for everyone, but for those who can afford the risk, it can be a game changer. 10. Venture capital, betting on the future. Venture capital, VC, is the more sophisticated cousin of startup investing. VC firms provide funding to early-stage companies in exchange for equity. The goal is to invest in innovative companies that have the potential to disrupt industries and provide substantial returns. While most of us can't become venture capitalists overnight, there are ways to get involved, such as through angel investing or crowdfunding platforms. The idea is to spot the next big thing and get in early. 11. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. the easy way to invest in property. Want to invest in real estate without the hassle of being a landlord? Enter real estate investment trusts, REITs. These companies own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate. By buying shares in a REIT, you can invest in real estate and receive dividends without having to deal with tenants, maintenance, or property management. REITs are a great way to diversify your portfolio and get exposure to the real estate market with relatively low risk. They can be bought and sold on major stock exchanges, making them a liquid investment option. 12. High-yield savings accounts, the slow but steady option. Okay, so a high-yield savings account won't make you rich overnight, but it's a safe place to park your money while earning some interest. These accounts offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, helping your money grow slowly but surely. It's the tortoise in the race. Slow and steady wins the race. While it may not be as exciting as investing in stocks or real estate, it's a great option for those who want a risk-free way to earn some extra cash. 13. Dividend stocks, the gift that keeps on giving. Dividend stocks are shares in companies that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders regularly. Investing in dividend stocks is like planting a money tree that keeps growing and producing fruit. The beauty of dividend stocks is that they provide a regular income stream, which can be reinvested to buy more shares and compound your returns over time. It's a win-win situation where you benefit from both capital appreciation and regular payouts. 14. Peer-to-peer lending, the new age bank. Peer-to-peer, P2P. Lending is like being your own mini bank. You lend money to individuals or small businesses, and they pay you back with interest. It's a way to earn higher returns than traditional savings accounts, while helping others access the funds they need. P2P lending platforms have made this type of investment more accessible to the average person. Just be aware that there is a higher risk of default compared to other investments, so it's important to diversify your loans. 15. Education and skills, the investment in yourself. Last but certainly not least, investing in yourself is one of the best assets you can have. Education and skills are the foundation of wealth creation. The more you learn, the more you can earn. This can involve formal education, online courses, workshops, or even reading books. Learning new skills and expanding your knowledge can open up new opportunities and increase your earning potential. It's an investment that pays dividends for a lifetime. Plus, it's something that no market crash or economic downturn can take away from you. So there you have it, 15 assets that are making people rich. Whether you prefer the thrill of the stock market, the stability of real estate, or the innovation of cryptocurrencies, there's an investment option for everyone. The key is to start where you are, with what you have, and keep learning along the way. Remember, building wealth isn't about getting rich quick. It's about making smart choices and being patient. It's about planting seeds and nurturing them over time. So go ahead, pick your asset, and start building your path to riches. Who knows? Maybe one day you'll be the one telling stories of how you struck gold or crypto and joined the ranks of the wealthy. And remember, no matter how rich you get, always keep a little fun and humor in your life. After all, what's the point of wealth if you can't enjoy the ride? In summary, we've covered 15 powerful strategies or assets to help you build wealth. Remember, the key is to start implementing these strategies today for a brighter financial future. Don't wait for the perfect moment or until you feel more confident. Just take the first step and the rest will follow. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more insights and let us know in the comments which strategy you're excited to try first.